And I want to go through both of them. So if you traded the second retest somewhere around here, you could have sold here, stop loss above the initial reject over here, and you want to be targeting a fair value gap or a piece of liquidity down here. So this trade really ran off, right? So this here was a very, very large trade you could have taken, right? Really, price really sold off on Friday. So why did the market sell off, and how do you know that the markets were going to sell off? You want to know what's going on here, and you definitely want to know what's going on here. So these two circled regions are what we're going to look for, right? We're going to look at this again. What makes these two areas attractive to us as traders? So let's just get this up. So if we take a look at the second rejections over here, if I just take the ATAS platform, we're going to be studying what was going on upon this rejection, and then of course this rejection. So this rejection is the most interesting one, right? So we see that 3-bar candle, 1, 2, 3, and what we're seeing is we're seeing blue delta switch to red delta. So we see a big sell-off candle after having two big green candles with positive delta. And this is the thing I want to draw to traders' attention. Now 65, 186, right? That is roughly a 3x difference between the ask and the bid, right? So you see a huge amount of aggressive buyers trying to break the level. They didn't really win, right? A lot of these sellers over, in fact, all of the buyers over here, were trapped, right? These were trapped buyers. Now, 106 for 224, 0 for 2, right? We're looking for a finished auction, right? I've been through this in many videos. A finished auction is where you see a 0 on one side. So seeing a 0 on one side essentially means that there's obviously more, in this case, aggressive buyers and sellers. That's one reason to take a short. But the second reason is when you see a finished auction, it shows you that there's no trading at that level. It's showing you the market is going to reverse, right? Or there's a higher likelihood of the market going to reverse, right? So this is what I use as a massive confluence to my trading, and I recommend using it for any type of strategy you have, right? Confirm your levels, confirm any indicators you're using, confirm your fair value gaps, confirm your support and resistance with order flow and finished auctions, right? Finished auctions are the lifeblood to my trading, essentially, right? When I see a 0, there's two ways to interpret this. So this is the price 62.96.5, 62.97, right? So you can confidently place the stop loss above at 62.97. The reason why I'm saying that is because at 62.97 there has been the auction there has been wiped out, right? There's 0 aggressive buyers, which shows you that the buyers and sellers themselves are no longer interested in trading at those prices. Now, once you can establish that with the fact that buyers are trapped, there's only one other option, is to sell, right? So simplification of your strategy using order flow is what you want to do, right? So that's essentially the sell-off you could have taken. So that brings us to kind of Friday's trades, very aggressive sell-offs. So let's kind of clear the charts again. Okay, let's just go to Thursday now. Now, Thursday was interesting because Thursday actually was derived from